Oh my, oh my, oh my. Baby, let me take you to the top. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're diving into one of the most regal and culturally rich bridal looks in Nigeria, the Edo bride. I'll be transforming my beautiful model into a stunning Benin bride paired with this Okuku hairstyle and coral beads. I collaborated with a fellow makeup artist and also a Okuku bridal hairstylist in Benin City. Her name is Jules. I'll be leaving her handle in the description box. So if you're ever in Benin and you want a very, very good Okuku hairstylist for your traditional wedding, her details will be in the description box. So feel free to reach out to her. In Benin culture, the wedding day is more than just a ceremony. It's a deep cultural celebration, and every true Edo girl dreams of her traditional wedding looks. You know, back in the ancient Benin kingdom, only queens and princesses wore this elaborated beaded crown called Okuku, but over time it became a rite of passage such that every bride, no matter where she is around the world, she wears this Okuku to honor her heritage. Aside the okuku on her head, we can't also forget to talk about the ivie, which is the coral beads that she's going to be wearing on her neck, which is the necklace. It comes in earrings, and we also have bracelets and a ring. These beads aren't just for beauty alone, they also represent wealth, royalty, and blessings from the ancestors. In fact, it is believed that some families pass down coral beads from generation to generation, like a family heirloom, if I do say so myself. It just goes to show you how precious these beads are. When I'm coming to this life again, I want to come as a Benin girl because the culture is so rich. Oh my god. So normally in Benin weddings, the bride's appearance will tell a story all the time. It means that she comes from royalty, she's valued, she's strong, and yeah. So the makeup we're going to be doing on my model today is definitely going to speak class, elegance, and just radiance. The Benin bride is regal. She's not your everyday regular kind of bride. She is royalty, and so everything has to speak class. So her hair piece, the makeup, her skin, her dress, everything is going to come together to produce the perfect Benin bride. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. I'm very sure that you're getting value from all the gems I've been dropping about the Benin bride. So drop a comment, ask me questions down below about the look, about the Edo culture, and subscribe as much as you can, and share this video with a Benin bride to be. We're based in Benin City. You can book my services for bridal makeup, for trad, white, court wedding. I'm available to travel nationwide and international. Okay, I'm just putting it out there. So yeah, thank you guys so much. For the lips, I wanted to go for a red color, but I thought that would be too much because her beads, her neck piece, her dress, everything is, gravitating towards red and orange, and I just don't want the look to be overpowering. I know I said we wanted the makeup look to come out looking classy and elegant, but I also do not want to cross that thin line where it's like we're doing too much. So yeah, I added a bit of shimmer and some pigment to the eyes, so I think the eyes are sparkling, which I love. The skin is radiant and fresh and beautiful. I just wanted to tone down the look with the lips. If you think I should have gone with the red lipstick, please let me know in the comment section. I might just do yet another Regal Benin look and maybe go with a red lipstick. But yeah, I think you're going to love this one. It looks really good. It's calm, it's beautiful. I love it. But I would like to know what you think below in the comments, okay? And there you have it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Our modern day Edo bride, dripping in traditional beauty. If you love the transformation and the culture behind it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to create or recreate another Nigerian, traditional bridal look, maybe from Igbo, maybe from Yoruba, maybe from Delta states. I particularly would love to do an Ishekiri bridal look because I'm from Delta State and my mom is Ishekiri. So yeah, I think that would be so so beautiful. There's a lot of gems, to learn. There's a lot of things to learn from the Ishekiri culture, and I think there's a relationship between the Benin Kingdom and the kingdom of I think Delta State or Warri. Yeah, there's something there. I'm going to do my research and come back to tell you guys what I found, and hopefully, yeah, we create something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.